PRS designs, builds, and installs complete integrated systems to automate a variety of processes, from pallet inspection and sortation systems to repairing and recycling. Our PRS facility ensures quality and value. Each member of the PRS team takes pride in knowing the products they produce are the best in the industry. After the sale, you can rely on pallet repair systems for total support. PRS can help you profit by providing the best possible solutions for your needs. Our highly trained professionals will evaluate your needs and design systems that maximize efficiency and productivity, in addition to improving ergonomics and decreasing labor costs. Our mission is simple: to serve our customers better with quality products at better prices. See how an integrated system from PRS can lower your costs and increase your profits. Log on to our website or call to speak with one of our representatives today.